Hey, sixth grade, it's Miss Tribal. We have several different documents in our Friday folder today, so I wanted to record this to explain to you what you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my mouse tool that highlights what I am showing you. So when you log into your Friday folder today, which is September 4th, you're going to see at the top an annotation assignment. Every student in our class is expected to complete the annotation assignment. When you open it, you're going to see a slideshow that gives you some information, and then there is the part that you will type on the last slide. So again, every student in our ELA class will complete that today. The second file that you see here is the subject and predicate quiz. So at this point in time, unfortunately, we still have a lot of kids who have not joined our classes in Flocabulary and News ELA. So if you have not joined our class in Flocabulary, I put the quiz for subject and predicate here that you can access by opening that file. It's going to take you to a Google form, so you can still take the quiz if you have not joined the Flocabulary class. This is not the best case scenario, though, because if you have joined the Flocabulary class, then you have access to watch the video again, and that would be helpful to you. So make it a priority. I sent you an email with the directions again for joining. Again, if you haven't joined the News ELA class, this here is for you. The first file is the article that you should be reading in News ELA. So if you're a member of the class, you can just read it there. If you need to read it here, you can click this button to pop out and make the article bigger. Again, this is only if you have not joined News ELA. And then along with the article, if you have not joined News ELA, then I also recreated the News ELA quiz in a Google form, which you can access by clicking the fourth file. And again, it's a Google form, and it's the same questions that are on the News ELA website, but it's for those of you that have not been able to join the class. And then the final item here, just like last week, this is optional, which means you don't have to watch it, but you can if you choose. It's our first chapter Friday. So this week, I recorded the first chapter of a spooky book called The Girl in the Locked Room. Okay, so to recap, the first file here, everyone does. The second one is the quiz from Flocabulary. If you joined the Flocabulary class, you can go to Flocab, watch the video, and take the quiz there, okay? If you have not joined the News ELA class, this one is the article, and this is the quiz, okay? So file 2, 3, 4, you only have to do here if you have not joined those classes, all right? Okay, make sure that you're sending me messages if you have questions. I also want to help you get logged in and join those classes. So if you haven't done that yet and you need my help, let me know.